Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be solving LeetCode 2.17 contains duplicate. This is a problem we've solved in the past before. However, we're going to solve it again using a different method. Feel free to pause the video just to read through what the problem is asking, but I find it examples more descriptive than the problem. Okay, so given a number, array of numbers, nums, okay, we want to return true if there's a duplicate in there, false otherwise if there's no duplicate, if all the elements in there are distinct. So in this case, in this one is the duplicate, so we return true. In this, there's no duplicate, so we return false. So without further ado, let's go solve it. The last time we solved it, we used a hash map, but today I want to use a set. So I'm gonna create a cache system called memo as a set. And in Python, you just use the keyword set to create an empty set. So the good thing about a set is that only one instance of every item can be in a set. So if you just put these elements in a set, it's gonna only take one instance of each element. You can have multiple numbers of the same value in a set, if that makes sense, but you're gonna see what I mean. So we're gonna iterate for num in nums. So we're just iterating through our array, getting each number. If num in memo, so if the number we're on is in the set already, is in our stored value, we just want to return true. Okay, we can use the else statement, but in this case I'll choose not to use the else statement. However, right after this, we're just going to add to the set. So we do this by using the add function, add method, I'm sorry. So we're just going to add that number to the set. Okay, so if we go through the array completely and we never return true, we just return false. Okay, this looks fine to me. Let's go ahead and submit this code and see what's up, see what's going on. Okay, so that passed 42%. It's not bad, Let's see the previous solution we did. I know I solved this a long time ago, so let's see the previous solution we had. I believe we used the hash table. So let's see the details of it. Okay, let's see. We want to see the code. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. So I saw the different ways actually. So yeah, this is a method from a package called collections that gives us a hash table. So we solved it this way. Let's see if we solved it a different way. Let's see this one. So I've solved this problem multiple times just for practice, just to see. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so yeah. So this is using a hash map. So we solved using a hash map. We got it right. Okay, and we were in it's actually not too bad using a hash map. So we solved using a hash map. Next, we also solved it using collections counter, and now we're solving using a set, and it's all good and fine. So as always, we take it one step further. We want to visualize the code and see what's going on in the set. So this is the exact same code. I just copied from LeetCode and set the example. So here we do have a duplicate, and our duplicate is 2. So let's go and see what's going on. So okay, we declare a function and we call our function and passing nums to it. So it's pointing to this address in memory with this content. Okay, so now we're iterating. We create our empty set. Okay, empty set, not an empty hash map this time. Okay, now we're iterating through num. So in the first instance, nums is 1. Okay, so we're gonna check, is he in the set? No, obviously the set is empty, so nothing's in him. So if he's not in him, we're just gonna add him in there. Okay, so we added him to the set 1. So next we're gonna go second time. We grab 2 now. We check, is 2 in the set? Nah, he's not in there. We add 2 in. Okay, next we're gonna do 3. 3 is not in there, we're adding. And you see what's going on. You see how the set doesn't have indices, like the list does. It has the index you can get it with, but the set, you can't operate the set with index because it's just a set of unique items in there. So we can't put 2 in the set. It's not gonna let it because there's 2 already in there. So we're just gonna run through the last check and say, is 2 already in the set? Obviously 2 is already in there, so we're just gonna return false. Oh, I'm sorry, return true, because if it's a duplicate, we want to return true, so we just return true. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one, as always.